Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account on the Nooka Space application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now tap on the profile icon down below, which is the last option. Scroll down till you find this account settings section, and then tap on the delete account option down below. Then confirm by tapping on the first option, yes, delete account. So now, as you can see, your account has been deleted successfully. So now you have been directed to your or to the home page or opening page of the application, so you are ready to sign up again if you feel like to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.